Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a word that's all about planning, structure, and making time for what matters. Our word of the day is appointment. So, what exactly is an appointment? At its core, an appointment is a scheduled meeting or arrangement. It's when two or more people agree on a specific time and place to meet, or when you set aside time for a particular purpose. Whether it's a doctor's visit, a job interview, or even a coffee catch-up with a friend, the concept of an appointment keeps our lives organized and on track. Now, let's look at some synonyms for appointment. You might hear people use words like meeting, arrangement, or reservation in similar contexts. For example, instead of saying, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, you could say, I have a doctor's meeting scheduled, though this might sound a bit formal. Or, I've made an arrangement to meet my friend for lunch. Another synonym would be engagement, as in, I'm sorry, I can't make it. I have a prior engagement. On the flip side, there are antonyms for appointment that emphasize the lack of planning or structure. Words like cancellation, disorganization, or even spontaneity come to mind. For instance, our appointment was canceled because of bad weather. Or, we didn't have an appointment. It was a spontaneous decision to meet. How can you use appointment in everyday life? Picture this. You're at work and you tell a colleague, I have an appointment with my manager at 3 p.m. to discuss the project. Or maybe you're on the phone scheduling something and you say, can we make an appointment for next Tuesday? It's also common in professional settings to hear phrases like, let's set an appointment for next week, or please confirm your appointment by email. Here are a few more examples of appointment in action. The appointment for my car repair is at 10 a.m. I've been waiting months for this appointment with a specialist. We should make an appointment to tour the venue before booking it. To sum it up, appointment is an essential part of our daily lives, helping us organize time and stay committed to our plans. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about appointment, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support makes it easier for others to find the show. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using appointment and share it in the comments. Until next time, this is Alex signing off. Keep learning and keep exploring the beauty of language.